So what is up, guys? So ohhTouch here. Me, you guys, my new server here. I'm co-owner at this is a server here. OP server. So you guys, spawn. This spawn. Blizzard Nation server. Just name it. Gonna read the rules. So, no asking for rank and cheat mute from being a shit face kick. Oops. Yeah, rules. So, warps. So the warp list. What the heck? Okay, warp list. What the heck with these doing screenshots? Okay, staff. The staff. So, so stuff, no warps. Warp. The party. This is where we make the drop party. We make every day, mostly every day we get 10 players, or 10 players, I think so. Yeah, if we get more than 10 players, we'll make a drop party. We drop a books. Some books are named it's like a book and kill that shit. That he you make make a book for a free rank. If you get the book, you get a free donation donor rank or something. And we drop it one time mod book, but we might no more drop it because some there were we promote a lot of mods and that shit, and they abuse it really hard and that shit. So yeah, warp. One second. Okay. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, warp. Warp enchant. So yeah, this is warp enchant. I'm going to do these are enchantment. What the? Okay, let's mess it up. Okay, someone did fireball TNT here. Someone did TNT. Let's see. So yeah, we'll fix this soon. Forest. So yeah, forest. So what for forest? Much TPA, so okay, so this what forest. So can I jump down and shit? Yeah, we got plot me. So plot worlds on PP. Or PP. We got 3 arenas. That shit. It's the first arena. I don't even remember if we made it. Shit. No, PP. The staff, apps, rules, PP. There are 3 PP arenas, rules, shop. Let's go to the shop. Yeah, this is the shop. You buy your shitty stuff. Armor fighting. Tools, coal, spawning shit. finish it. Not finish it yet. I will finish it as soon as possible. It's just polishing and stuff, reeling shit. Okay. Just the top. I don't know what we're making here, but works. Staff app. So yeah, staff app. We apply for mod, builder, advertiser. Please don't. If you're gonna make a staff app, don't make like you're gonna make like hi, I don't know, hi, I want to be mod that shit. Don't put oh, I want to be mod that shit, and it says no, put don't put like, oh my god, guy my age is 18, 18, I don't know, I'm supposed to do like, my name is blah blah, no, notch, I don't know, my age is 18, it says want to be my, cause I don't know, so you put like like three or two pages, put a really good app, be honest, that shit, don't put a shitty ass mod app. So yeah, you know, like this one, look at this one, I'll show you one here, look at this, like, rejected, two rejected, from the same guy. You apply it for mod and builder and advertiser. Yeah, don't totally want to be mod, that shit, putting this shit would be nice to have more items, so this shit. We don't want that shit, no, look at this, me, I'll try, you do your stuff. I'll accept it right now. You do your stuff, I'll follow. Come next to the group YouTube. So yeah, shit, I saw. Let me show you. So yeah, we got a lot of plugins. You want to get some, so we need to put so yes, oh, and one thing, you gotta the ranks of that shit. The ranks, I don't know. Make sure the ranks. Now we got 10 donation, $10 donation VIP, just VIP rank, Pornhub. ohhTouch, VIP, more Monster, Hero. This is Hero rank. We got Master rank. I made the donation ranks in the kit for Master. We don't got the keys made yet, but what Mr. Bean into eat knows. Touch. One more is Legend, based on Legend. So see this Legend. Legend. Touch. Legend. Immortal. We got Immortal rank. Legend, Demi-God and Demi-God got get one base through the base. home. God, check it. We got this is the base. What the hell with all these mobs? Holy fuck. Kill. Oh. Yeah, this is the Demi-God base from I made it. I made this base. Oh yeah. I don't know if you like it or that shit. Cause I made it for one of the Demi-God guys. We got the God base gonna be like this, but 3 floors. This is on P server. Is there missing your video YouTube? ohhTouch. Oh. God. Look at this God. So yeah guys, this might be all for today. Oh yeah, if you hack, you can ban it, I don't know. If you get banned for hacking, you can unban it. You get this rank. You get this rank. That's the rank you get if you hack and you get banned and that shit. Yeah guys, that'll be all for today. Okay, so I'll leave a pin in the description if you wanna join this server. What the? Sharpness 100. What the fuck? This key got this shit. Alright, yeah, so yeah guys, that'll be all for today. See you guys on the next episode. I'm gonna make a PP episode. Looking for a good server because the other server got admin on and I can't PvP players, so yeah, be all for today. See you guys later.